Manado. Rastafari is the Almighty. Keep the fire burning, never cease, never stop. Well, I know, after me I burn my fire, them get confused. They don't keep it on. Oh, you burn so much fire, you burn up this, you burn up that. So me I say, yo, fire is the ultimate force. Because me a youth and me I go church, I made them. Fire, fire, fire fall and I say, a little more oil in my lamp. Keep it burnt. Me I say, wait, wanna. So when me I burn fire, them get confused. Fire is the ultimate force. So me tell you something, I'm born in April today, yeah? So me have fire by birth. 13 of April, my born, never forget. So me I say, when you talk about fire, fire is the ultimate force. If no sun, no shine, no rain, no fall, no plant, no grow, we don't have no energy for humanity. You see me? Naturally. Biologically, if a woman don't consist of certain heat, body temperature wise, she can't even conceive a child. That means she cannot procreate, she cannot get pregnant. So she have to have a certain amount of heat, certain amount of fire. So we will away a fire bring come here to you never know. So me say, biblical now, or biblically, shed what me she gonna bend to go, walk through the fire, never get burned. Just say now come back with no water, brimstone and fire. Prophet Isaiah caught up in a chariot of fire. Moses saw giant in the burning bush. You know what I say? So I'm telling you, if you talk about, the earth now. The earth. Nice life and I promote to the highest of labor. Well, life over death, money over war, good over evil. Anyway, that one on him, Jaja City. When I look at no, Jaja City. When I look at no, Mr. Drunker Joker for John. We no want no more daddy. Mr. Happy goes so lucky, happy. We no want no more daddy. Well, Mr. Joe kill quick. We don't want no more it. We don't want no more grave. We don't want no more gas street. A life we promote which is righteousness. So don't get a lick. What you say again? Jaja City. 1 feet on it. No, take it down low. Take it down low. Cause I don't really think I hear you know. But you hear which part of the song I really want to sing. Them think them reach the ultimate. But them not reach. Them get caught.
This is the quickest way.